Business District is home to 3 institutions of higher education: the Community College of Denver, the Metropolitan State University of Denver. Also, replacing the old air handling unit allowed the opportunity to increase cooling capacity to meet current demand and keep pace with future demand plans. Finally, the Community College of Denver was able to leverage efficiency improvements resulting from HVAC engineering advances over the past 40 years.
When we looked at the unit from an efficiency standpoint, there were a number of features that stood out to us and ultimately led to the selection of the ClimateCraft unit. Just the build quality of the unit was apparent with the insulation, the thickness of the wall construction that was appealing. Also, the fan technology that accomplished a couple goals. We found it to be very efficient, but also the use of a large number of small direct drive fans increased the reliability overall. If for some reason one fan was to go down, the system would barely lose any capacity. So that was really attractive to us. And of course that technology is also very efficient. So that led to the overall system efficiency being much better than what was here previously, and actually more efficient than what we would typically consider to be a conventional approach.
But how would they get the old unit out and the new unit in? A unit that must meet current codes and can be replaced with minimal downtime. Quick turnaround seemed difficult when presented with the prospect of removing a portion of the roof or demolishing Craft's fan matrix solution. If one fan fails, the other fans adjust to compensate for the shortage. This means the facility is less likely to have a sudden air handling unit shutdown due to a fan failure. Additionally, replacing this smaller fan would not require specialty equipment and a large contingency plan, since the replacement would simply involve carrying out the bad fan and installing a new fan in its place. Given the size and critical performance of the access units, the original plan was to bring in the largest components through the outside air louver located at roof level, but once the unit arrived on site, the contractor was able to get those large components up through the stairwell, and the outside air louver was able to remain intact.
The biggest challenge we had obviously was getting the unit into the mechanical room, and we looked at a couple different options. One option was to remove some louvers that were about 2 stories up on the sidewall. That would have required us building a scaffold system, and it would have taken much longer to do so. We had a limited amount of time to get this project installed and operational. The alternate plan, we opened up a section of drywall, a 7-foot by 7-foot section, which allowed greater access into the room, so the project went extremely well.
ClimateCraft offers various levels of installation support with an access installation. Due to the time-sensitive nature of the installation, this project involved the training of the contractor employees at the ClimateCraft factory prior to installation, certifying them for access installations, but also providing factory field service professionals to the job site to supervise installation as well as validate safe and efficient unit operation.
Absolutely, I would urge others to use this Access ClimateCraft air handler. It fits a niche. If you have a mechanical room where using a conventional unit would be a problem, I would highly recommend going with the ClimateCraft unit.
ClimateCraft's unique manufacturing process results in successful installations in what would have been an impossible feat in many tight or limited spaces. Access is ClimateCraft's unparalleled process for custom engineering and manufacturing air handling units that are factory fabricated and field assembled. This is ideal for retrofit applications where access to the mechanical room is limited. Units designed and manufactured through the Access process have all the same outstanding features and quality characteristics of any ClimateCraft unit. It's the air handler that comes with factory support and a track record of many successful installations that would have been impossible using traditional production and installation methods. At ClimateCraft, we know it's important to keep up to date on industry needs by offering a variety of design options, components, and materials to meet your specific requirements. Our engineering and design expertise and our wide range of standard and specialty options allow us to meet customer needs in commercial, education, government, healthcare, high-tech manufacturing, and life sciences environments. You need to focus on your daily responsibilities, and mastering the details to specify an air handling unit can be time-consuming. When you depend on ClimateCraft, you can leave the particulars to us.
The project was able to be completed in the time required. It was up and running prior to starting semester for 2013, and from our standpoint, we're very pleased with how things have gone.
Whether you need to replace that aging air handler in the depths of your building or need to figure out how to get new product in the door without major construction to remove walls, we can help.